something really different today, which I hope you enjoy. I'm in Newport, not the Newport that's in Gwent, that's near me, that's characterised by homelessness and severe drug problems. But we are in a beautiful Newport in North Pembrokeshire. It's a beautiful, quaint little village, and it's got a wonderful sort of little harbour here, little fishing harbour with cool sandbank. I'm at the boat club at the minute, so we're starting this walk from sea level, which I thought again would be different, starting it from the beach, and that's where we're going, up the top of there. I think it's about 349 metres, but we'll be walking every single metre, so it's going to be a little big mountain today. Should be a nice little climb. It's called Mynydd Carningli. Brilliant Welsh name. So the first part of the walk is to go up to the castle and the church, through the town, and then I'll bring you back in a bit and explain a bit more about the walk. So it's certainly a thriving place here. There's a little castle up on the top there, and it's full of loads of shops and hotels and tiny little places. It's really good, bustling place. So we're going to head up towards the castle and the church, and I think it's this way. But yeah, it's quite a nice start to the walk, just going through a really beautiful little village. Oh, there's the church there. Cool, so that's coming to view. So hopefully on the right track. So I've just left the village. I had a chat with one of the locals there, who's a nice chap. He assured me I'm on the right route. So yeah, just descending through this old byway. It's a really nice little path alongside the stream. So Preseli Hills, they're in the sort of central part of Pembrokeshire in West Wales. Incredible sort of mystical rocky topped hills, straight out of Lord of the Rings. Absolutely wonderful. So this is Mynydd Carningli, which is the most northerly of all the Preseli Hills, and the top is all like a crest of rock, and it's a nice sort of conical shape. So yeah, it's going to be a little big mountain today. You've got about 350 metre climb in about 2.5k from the sea, so yeah, you know, it has to climb. It's going to be super steep, I think. So there we are. Right, let's go. So gained a bit of altitude. That's the Newport Sands, Newport Bay. Brilliant, isn't it? There's a little bit more out to sea there, but not a lot at the minute. And the path's a sea of bracken either side. And that's it there. Wonderful, isn't it? Magical looking. This is an outlier of the Preselis. A lot of the Preseli is kind of a sort of a ridge really, or like a chain of hills, but this is a northern outlier, but it's majestic with its rocky sort of top, very sort of mythical looking. So yeah, it'd be good. So I'm going to progress up there a bit and I'll bring you back. Okay, so it's a very sort of overgrown common. I think I'm on the right path. There's various different options. I've only got a Land Ranger map, which isn't really that clear. Well, in terms of, it's pretty obvious where to go, but in terms of the paths on there. So, there's not many off-piste routes really, because you can't walk through that gorse. That's just impassable. So anyway, I'm going to just keep aiming up and see where this path leads. And see how we get on. Good, sort of steep little rocky path. So there's other Preseli Hills walks on my channel. I've done several walks here now, but I've only filmed 2 for the channel. I'll see if I can put the links in the description of the video. I've done Folcom Serwyn, which is the highest point, and Folfeddau, and where's the other one I've done? The eastern area, so Dragonfawr, Hillfort, and over towards Carnshaw. That's brilliant, so wild up there. I'll see if you can put the descriptions in the link. Okay. My heart nearly sank there because I thought these were cattle, but they're horses. Thankfully, they have got a foal, so I'm going to probably try and bypass them a bit. I'm assuming that's the top, but I reckon it's going to be a false summit. So, let's see how I can try and bypass these now. It's definitely a steep climb. It's good. Very windy. Hit some of the hard stuff now. Found a sheep tread bringing me across. Ah, there it is, I think. Super windy up there it's going to be. So some miniature scrambles to do along here as well. Just going to need my hands for this bit, I think. Let's put that there. Adam's extremely amateur video. Brilliant landscape. I'm hoping I'm going to be summiting on my own. There won't be anyone here. Now, which one is the top? It's either that one or that one. I think it's this one. Let's go and have a look. So this is the south top. Little bit of a scramble to the top. Foothold there. Yeah, it's definitely that one. Good view from here though. Right, let's get up the top. So I've ditched the stick because I need my hands now. But it's yeah, it's good fun. I'd highly recommend this one. It's a steep, it's a stiff northerly wind, so completely sheltered at the minute. Apologise for the wind noise up there. That's gonna be a great view, isn't it? Sea on one side and the main Preseli Hills on the other. It's cool, isn't it? Lord of the Rings-esque, for sure. Right, let's get wind blasted. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, it's quite blasted. Anyway, oh. I think it's there. Brilliant views. Do a quick zoom in. So I'm going to do the zoom camera from here because I'm completely protected by the wind and you'll probably be able to hear me better. But brilliant views over to the coast. And you've got a great lineup of the Preseli Hills. So you've got, this is an outlier that we're on at the minute. That's Dragonfawr. And then over towards the central ones, Folfeddau and Folcom Serwyn and Foil Air. This one here, there. So yeah, really nice views of the main hills as well from here. Really good. So that was the summit I was on, but I'm going to just explore the north top now. and then we'll call it a day there, because I'm sure you've had enough of me already. So I'm going to just descend the same way I come up. Let's have a look at the north top. It's going to be windy again. Had a nice chat to a guy up there. It's the only person I've seen really, but I did have the summit to myself, so that was really nice. I'm just going to descend now and enjoy the sea views. I hope you really enjoyed that one. Something different, and certainly a different kind of perspective of the Preseli Hills, a north outlier, so really good, and I really look forward to seeing you again. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers guys, thanks a lot.